Imagine holding the key to unlock infinite possibilities, where the barriers between your ideas and their realization simply vanish. That's the power of Python and mastering ChatGPT prompts. Python is not just a programming language, it's the language of innovation. With its simplicity, versatility, and widespread adoption, Python opens doors to automate mundane tasks, analyze data with precision, and create technology that can change the world. Whether you're aiming to boost your career, launch a tech-driven business, or simply make your life easier, Python equips you with the skills to turn those aspirations into reality. Diving into ChatGPT prompts, you're wielding the power of cutting-edge AI. Customize conversations, automate responses, and even generate creative content, all at your fingertips. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife, ready to tackle any challenge, answer any question, or spark creativity on demand. This is your moment to step into a future where you're not just a participant, but a creator. Empower yourself with the tools to solve problems, innovate, and make a tangible impact. Why wait? The future is calling, and it speaks Python and ChatGPT. Turn your curiosity into action and watch as doors open to a world of endless possibilities. Let's start this journey together, transforming your dreams into digital reality.